So this is an international English language testing system powered by IDP to access the level of candidate. My name is Jasprit Kaur and I am here to conduct a speaking of candidate number 1112 named Mehakdeep Singh. Shall we start?
Yes.
Okay. What is your full name?
My full name is Mehakdeep Singh.
How may I address you?
You can call me as my nickname.
Okay, Mehak, let's talk about hometown or village. What kind of place it is where you live?
Well, it is peaceful place, and I live in a small town, and its name is Dukri, and it's near Malekhula city.
Okay. What is the most interesting part of your hometown?
Most interesting part of my hometown is the schools and their private grounds and pupils of my village.
What kind of jobs do the people of your village do?
Well, there are a lot of kind of jobs that people do in my village. Some are doing daily basis jobs, and some are doing permanent jobs under industrial sector, and some are doing job on mobile phones.
Okay, would you say it is a good place to live?
Just good place to live because it have peaceful environment, and there are a lot of greenery around my village, and there are all basic facilities over there.
Okay, let's discuss about tiredness. What kind of things make you tired?
Well, I feel tired when I was sick or there was a headache, and sometimes I feel tired when I feel bored.
What do you do when you feel tired?
When I feel tired, I always trying to go to outside and or go to a medical.
Whom do you usually talk to when you are feeling mentally tired?
When I feel mentally tired, I always recommend it to my parents, and after discussing my issues that why I feel tired, then they offer me suggestions. Then I applied it and I feel comfortable.
Do you like to talk to strangers when you are feeling mentally tired?
No, I do not like to talk with strangers because they do not know about me.
Okay, this is the end of part 1. Now for part 2, there is a one card with some question. So you have only 1 minute to prepare that cue card. After that you have to talk about that topic for 2 minutes. You can use paper and pencil to make your notes. And your cue card is talk about a magazine article you read about healthy living or an online article about healthy living. And your time starts now. Okay, so time up. You may start now.
Well, usually I like to read a lot of articles because they give us a lot of knowledge about various issues. Usually in my leisure time, I read articles on newspaper, on mobile phone. Usually I prefer a Google app. And now I would like to talk about a article that I recently read it, and it was on health issues. And when last month I feel free and I want to read an article, and then I was scrolling my phone, and there was an article of WHO, which is World Health Organization, and in that article they clear about the health diet, and it is very precious for me. And in a healthy diet they say about the routine diet which we need to follow. And when I read it all the article, then I understand that I do lot of mistake in my daily routines, and after seeing I applied on my daily routine, and after that I experienced that my health become better, and it also increase my strength and as well as my stamina. And after when I playing in football ground, I realized that it also helps in my cardiovascular muscles.
Okay, so here I'm going to stop you because it's the end of part 2. Let's discuss about part 3, that is a healthy living. What are the most popular ways of keeping healthy in your country?
Now people are more aware about their health, and they become more health conscious, and so they follow different kind of activities like yoga are more gaining ground nowadays, and they as well as they follow exercise, health exercise. They go to grounds and gyms. And
Do you think most people worry about their health as they get older?
I think so, because nowadays I realize that older people are more aware about their health. They, for example, in an article in an article by WHO, they conduct a survey which reveals that most of people above 17 age now are going to walk and jogging on morning.
Do you think people have become more health conscious in recent years?
Just of course, because they get more knowledge about their health regarding past, because nowadays people are more literated, and after there are a lot of social media platforms which aware them, and as well as they go to joggings, and youngsters are more aware than.
Okay, so this is the end of our speaking module.